In this beginner French lesson on les nombres, you'll learn French numbers from 1 to 20 with correct pronunciation, understand key differences from English, and learn when to use a. We'll also practice counting by tens and finish with a quiz. Hello French learners. Welcome to Sam's English to French Lab. Speak French with confidence using learning, listening, repeating, thinking, and practicing. So, let's get started with the numbers. I'll say each number, listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice your pronunciation. Ready? 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 In French, 17 is 17. And as you know now, 10 means 10, and 7 means 7. It's the same pattern for 18 and 19. So 18 is 18, and 19 is 19. Repeat after me. 17 17 18 18 19 19. After that comes 20, which is 20. Say it with me. 20 20. Great job so far. Now, let's see how French numbers are different from English. From 21 up to 69, French follows the same pattern as English. For example, in English we say 21, 22, 23. In French, it's the same idea. 21, 22, 23. And 69 is 69. The same rule also applies from 81 to 89. In English we say 81, 82, 83, and in French it's 81, 82, 83. And 89 is 89. But starting at 70, the pattern changes, and that's what makes French numbers unique. In English, we say 71, 72, 73, and so on, using 70 plus 1, 2, 3, but in French, it works differently. They say 71, 471, which means 60 and 11. Then it continues with 72, 73, and so on, meaning 60 plus 12, 60 plus 13, etc. The same pattern happens again in the 90s. 91 is 91. That means 80 plus 11. 92 is 92. That means 80 plus 12. Then 93 is 93. That means 80 plus 13. And it goes on this way up to 99, which is 99. Now, let's talk about a little word you'll often hear in French numbers, a, which means and. This word is only used in a few specific numbers, especially when the number ends in 1. Here's a quick table to show you exactly which numbers include a, and which ones don't. As you can see, it is used with 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, and 71, but it's not used with 81, 91. The pattern changes after 71. So keep these rules in mind, Only 81 and 91 do not have A in their spelling. Great job! Let's go over the tens. We'll repeat each number one by one to strengthen your pronunciation. Alright, here we go. 10, 10. 20, 20. 30, 30. 40, 40. 50, 50. 60, 60. 70, 70. 80, 80. 90, 90. 100, 100. As you may have noticed, in French, the word for 70 is 70, which literally means 6 to 10. It's like doing a small sum. 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. That's why 70 is called 70. And for the number 80 in French, we say 80. It means 4 20s. And 90 is 90, which means 80 plus 10. I also want to teach you how to say thousand and million. In French, thousand is mille, and million is million, just like in English, but with French pronunciation. Alright, now it's quiz time. But this one's a little more challenging. It's not just from 1 to 20 or the tens. I've mixed it up with numbers from all the way 1 to 100. Let's see how many you get right. I'll show you a number, and your task is to choose the correct one in French. Ready? 3. 3. 14. 14. 85. 85. 7. 7. 50. 50. 19. 19. 64. 64. 5. 5. 90. 90. 13. 13. 1. 1. 47. 47. 72. 72. 41. 41. 77. 77. 100. 100. 25. 25. 91. 91 96 96 Before we continue, if you're finding this helpful and actually learning something, that deserves a like and a subscribe, right? Okay, back to the quiz. 8 8 53 53 60 60 61 61 16 16 31 31 80 80 17 17 70 70 94 94 11 11 21 21 34 34 99 99 29 29 38 38 44 44 92 92 75 75 88 88 22 22 Fantastic work! Here's a fun challenge. Write your age or your favorite person's age in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next fun lesson.